Hello, I'm Franck Grosset-Janin. I'm part of the Kuoni Tumlare PCO team. I'm heading the team for the PCO, and we are hosting a nice event in the beautiful convention center of Valencia. We are working with the community of astronomers, the EAS, and we had a wonderful meeting with them this week. We wanted to highlight the fact that the team there in the convention center was one of the best teams we had to work with. They are really flexible in the way they work, and this is what we appreciate for this kind of meeting. We have the same relationship with our clients that the convention center is having with us, so all together we really achieve a really nice meeting, and this is really due to this effort in being always innovative and also really flexible in the way we approach the challenges. There were so many people there in the convention center. We knew that it will be a challenge, but at the end, joining the effort between the convention center, the AV team, the operational team, all the ones who are behind the scene, and our staff at Kuoni Tumlare, we were able to really get a fruitful meeting.